Here is my 2005 Kohler Wellworth Ingenium versus my 2008 American Standard Champion 4. Before we flush these toilets, let's look at the tank parts. All of the tank parts are original except for the handle because the original one broke, but the handle is identical to the original. That is it for the Kohler Wellworth Ingenium. Now let's look at the Champion 4 tank parts. All of the tank parts are replacements except for the handle. I replaced the flush valve because look at how high, like after the water drains, that is looking high. I put it on a Fluid Master 3-inch flush valve, so let's see how it flushes. Before we flush it, let's look at the tank view of it. Look how much water it uses, all the way up to here. That is definitely more water. I'll be back after the tank is full to give it at least a flush. You can see the flush for it. Well, here's a flush. That was the longest flush I've ever seen on a Champion 4. That was holding down the handle on both toilets, but you know what's going to look like when I do press and release flushes on the Ingenium versus the Champion 4. I like the Wellworth Ingenium better for flushes, but let's see how it does on performance tests to see if the Champion 4 does better than the Ingenium. Here we go. For the first test, let's see if it can take a microfiber towel and a microfiber rag together. And it is clogged. I'm gonna empty the rest out of the tank. Not moving. That's a fail. But let's see how the Champion 4 does to see if it does any better. I will not hold down the handle. Looks like it took it. So the Champion 4 has won that test. Now to the next test. For the next test, let's see if it could take 8 paper towels. But please do not try this at home with just inside toilets because it can clog your pipes, sewer, and damage the plumbing. And it can cost a lot of money to repair it. But anyways, let's see how these two toilets do. The Kohler Wellworth Ingenium versus the American Standard Champion 4. Here we go. Nope. Looks like it did not get past to the opening. That failed it. Now let's try the Champion 4. It got through the opening, but I think it's clogged. Let's give it a second flush. Well, the Champion took 2 flushes, but that definitely unclogged itself. So the Champion 4 has won that test since the Ingenium failed. Now to the next test. For the next test, let's see if it can take a grocery bag and a microfiber towel together. Look at this, it did not even get in the trap or opening. Well, to be fair, this is a big test and not many toilets can pass it. That doesn't mean I don't like these. I still love these Kohler Wellworth Ingeniums no matter what if it fails like that. Here's the second flush. Yeah, not going anywhere. Well, it took it separately with help, but that definitely failed. Now let's try the American Standard Champion 4 to see if it does any better. Looks like it's still in the toilet. Here's the second flush. Well, looks like it's clogged. I'll get another flush after the tank is full. Here's another flush. That tank is 3/4 full. Here it goes. So, the American Standard Champion 4 took 2.5 flushes without help, and the Kohler Wellworth Ingenium took 2 flushes and then it needed help. So, the Champion 4 has won that test. Now to the next test. For the next test, let's see how it does on dirt. This test is the bowl rinse, flush, and bowl clearance. Here we go. Pressure and release flush. It left a few bits. Let's check around the sides. It left a spot here. Overall, it did really good. Now let's try the Champion 4 to see if it does worse or better. Pressure and release. Oh my word, it did not do great. Look how much spots it missed. And the bowl clearance is not great. And the only good bowl rinse is that part right here. So that definitely did worse than the Wellworth Ingenium. But let's see how it does on the second flush to see if it takes the rest of it. Okay, really? It did not even rinse the spot here. That's not good. Sorry for the interruption. My GoPro battery just died. But anyways, the Champion 4 failed this test because look how many spots it left. And then the Ingenium did great on the bowl rinse. Now to the next test. For the next test, here's 20 bottle caps, which I call the floater test. Let's see how it does. Pressure and release. Let's go look at the bin and see how many of them came out. Well, all 20 of them came out. Now let's try the Champion 4. Pressure and release. Once again, let's look at the bin and see how many of them came out. As I looked at the bin, there were 19 bottle caps in there. One of them is still in the toilet, but I've come to the conclusion that the Champion 4 is a better performer, the one right here. The Ingenium has a better flusher, the one right here. And hope if you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos of toilets flushing, tests, will it flush, and toilet battles, please like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.